Do not blame us for the controversy surrounding the detention of individuals under the state of public emergency in St. James. That sentiment this evening from Ian Wilkinson, the chairman of the Emergency Powers Review Tribunal for the SOE in St. James. He says since the tribunal was set up in January, it has received only 24 detention orders from the National Security Minister and only 16 have been disposed of.
It might not have been the intention of the draftsmen, it might not have been the intention of Parliament, the Governor General or the Prime Minister, but our jurisdiction was very limited in scope in terms of a detention order triggering action from the tribunal. In other words, without a detention order, we basically are sitting and waiting as best
so
as
there's
possible.
put it another way then, there's a bottleneck in the process.
Yes.
So that in order for you
Yes.
to hear from those who might genuinely want to be heard,
Yes.
you're not able to do so until another person, in this case, I think is the Minister of
National Security.
has signed the requisite detention order.
Quite correct.
Mr. Wilkinson was speaking earlier today during RJR's That's a Wrap program with Earl Moxham. Up to October 9, close to 3,600 people have been detained under the SOE in St. James, but only 139 have been charged. Mr. Wilkinson said the tribunal has made several recommendations, especially regarding Regulation 30.
And under Regulation 30, someone can be detained for up to 14 days, for example, with the intervention of a deputy superintendent of police, and a senior superintendent of police can get involved and extend that detention until the life of the state of emergency or the duration of the state of emergency. Under that particular provision, we do not have jurisdiction